Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone and laptop. We'll cover various methods, from simple cables to advanced wireless solutions. Understanding these connections helps you transfer files, share internet, and even mirror your screen. It's all about making your devices work together seamlessly for better productivity and convenience. Let's dive into the details. Wireless connections offer great flexibility. Bluetooth is perfect for quick file sharing or using your phone as a hotspot over short distances. Wi-Fi Direct allows two devices to communicate directly, which is super handy for sharing large files without an internet connection. And don't forget cloud services. They keep your files synced everywhere.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. On another note, speaking of smart tech, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Wired connections, primarily through USB cables, are reliable and fast. They're ideal for transferring large files quickly or ensuring a stable internet connection via USB tethering. Always use the appropriate cable for your devices, like USB-C or micro USB, to guarantee compatibility and efficient data flow. It's a straightforward and dependable method. To enhance your experience, consider advanced tips. Screen mirroring apps let you project your phone's display onto your laptop, great for presentations or media. Remote desktop tools give you full control of your computer from your phone, even when you're away. Remember to keep all your device drivers updated for smooth, reliable connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.